What's going on? Replacing doors in a bathroom, and I'm going to cut some grooves for the hinges. And I thought, you know what? I already did the closet door in the bathroom. I'm about to do the front, the door that goes into the bathroom, the entrance way door. And I thought, you know what, man? Let me record this and just help some people out. This is the new door I'm going to put on here. All right, comes from Home Depot. It already has a knob hole drilled into it, so you can put the knob on. But unfortunately, on the other side of the door here, it doesn't have the hinges grooved out. That's because you gotta measure them and do it, because everyone might be a smidgen off, so you gotta cut it yourself and do it. So I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. Pretty easy. First, you take the old door off. This is the old door. Okay. Take the old hinges off. Take the knob off. Alright, I'll take the hinge off and I'll come back. Oh, that light's on. Oh, no wonder it's so bright. Hold on. Alright, first thing, when you take the knob off and then you take the hinges off. Off the old door. This door is just, the old, I don't know what's inside of it. It's like cardboard. It's cheap stuff, man. So we figured we'd get the, upgrade to another door. Looks a little nicer. We just redid the bathroom. And, figured we'd put on some fresh doors. Kind of make the bathroom look complete. Alright, then you take these hinges off. Alright, I took the one on the bottom off already. Okay, get yourself a nice sharp pencil and a square. You get the two doors together here, okay? With the old door, you got the new door. Make sure it's lined up the right way. It should be with the hole there for the knob. Make sure it's perfectly together, flush, same. On both sides. Very important, because once you start making cuts, the slightest little bit is going to make a difference. So you take your square first, you put it up against the old door, right up against the edge of the hinge, and then you scroll down. I'm going to put the camera down so I can actually, I don't have a third hand to hold the pencil, but you'll see what I'm saying. Take your square. Make sure it's even. Get yourself a nice sharp pencil. And just, the point broke. Alright, that's a fail. Let me sharpen my pencil. Alright, let's try this again. Fresh pencil here. You just mark the edge of the hinge and mark on a new door right where the hinge is going to be. Do the same thing for the other side. And get it as perfect as possible. Beautiful. Okay, now you can take your old hinge. The new hinges are the same exact one, same exact size, but brand new. This is the old hinge. Okay, and you can see where it was painted over the door here. So I'm going to use that as a marker. But if you don't have the paint on it, what you do is put the hinge in here. See, it went in that way. And you would take your marker, mark where it went. See, it goes right over where I already have paint on it. And then what you do with the new door, you take your marked hinge, put it right up on the edge where it should be. Make sure it's straight. Keep it right inside the two lines you made with your square. Okay. And then you just draw around it, like so. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. And then you do the same thing on the other side here with the other, where the hinge goes. Just make sure it's perfect, right in the middle. Perfect. Draw around it. Oh, there goes the furnace. All right, good. That's how you get it all marked and ready to go. Yeah, what I have here is a Drill Master. It's a trim router, okay? Get it from Harbor Freight. They're next to nothing. They're very cheap. And then you buy yourself some drill bits. I mean, it's good if you're working around the house and you plan on doing this a couple of times. And then you could use it for, you know, trimming wood, you know, edging wood, if you're doing any projects. This is, you know, they come with a different assortment of bits. But this is definitely better than using a chisel. That's for sure. Go to Harbor Freight, you can pick them up. What you do is when you put your blade in, you put your hinge, the new one, on it and push the blade up. So you get just the perfect see if you can see that. Same height as the hinge. And then you tighten it up. Okay, now tighten it up. Now you take your router that you set this depth to, and you router out your markings here. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect fit. Absolutely perfect. Look at this. You can't even get any more perfect than that. That is redonkulously perfect. And then you do the same thing for the other side. To show you, I put the old hinge in here. It's perfect with the line. It sits right in there. Try to get the light. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. You do the same thing with the other side. Make sure you get all lined up before you turn it on. See where your line is. Help if it was. There we go. Okay. All right. Here we go. Nicey, icy. Right, take your hinge. Give it a little tester. See how it fits. Wow. Nice. Perfect. Once again. Beautiful. Something I definitely suggest is before you screw this in, just don't try drilling some screws up in here. Make little marks right in the middle, perfectly in the middle. And drill pilot holes in there so you know the screw goes in straight, because if the screw goes in off to the side a little bit, and when the screw sets, it's going to turn it to the side a little bit. Then you'll be off like 1/8 of an inch, which is enough to screw you up when it's time to put the door on the hinges. So make some little marks and drill some pilot holes. You don't have to go crazy deep. Just make sure they're straight. Just a little bit. Put your hinge in the spot here. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. That's how you do it. And you do the same thing for the other side. Make your marks. Right in the center, you want to be right in the middle of those, right in the middle of where the screw's gonna go. You gotta try to get it as perfect as possible. Your pilot holes. Just a little bit, not too much, you know, just to get it, so it gets started. Beautiful. That's how you do that. Don't go all the way down now. Wait till you get them in. You know, you don't want it to shift. Saying now you can go down on that one, down on that one. Then this last one you just bury it up in there. Beautiful. Man. And that's how you put them in. Then finally you put your hinges on the door frame. Put the doorknob on the door. And you're all ready. Ciao, Romeo. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That's how you put notches for the hinges on a door. Peace. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Large car race in the house. This is pretty much the final touch. Redoing my bathroom. New tub, toilet, new sink, new floor. Look at this. I want to see something nice. Look at that. The slam-free toilet. That's what I'm talking about, man. This bathroom is done. That door was just the final touch. I also did the closet door. Alright, people. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos.